How many animals do you see? Big ones, little ones. Come explore with me. Fun facts. Open the book and touch an animal. Desert. This scorpion is black. This scorpion is black. This rattlesnake is long. This rattlesnake is long. This coyote is brown. This coyote is brown. This camel has 2 humps. This camel has 2 humps. This tarantula has 8 legs. This tarantula has 8 legs. This vulture can fly. This vulture can fly. These flies are very small. These flies are very small. This armadillo lives in the desert. This armadillo lives in the desert. These meerkats are quick. These meerkats are quick. Polar. This snowy owl can fly. This snowy owl can fly. This narwhal can swim. This narwhal can swim. This caribou has antlers. This caribou has antlers. This polar bear lives in the North Pole. This polar bear lives in the North Pole. This walrus is brown. This walrus is brown. This orca is very large. This orca is very large. These puffins have wings. These puffins have wings. This penguin lives in Antarctica. This penguin lives in Antarctica. This Arctic fox is white. This Arctic fox is white. Ocean. This dolphin is gray. This dolphin is gray. These seahorses live in the ocean. These seahorses live in the ocean. This whale is very large. This whale is very large. These clownfish are orange and white. These clownfish are orange and white. This shark is gray. This shark is gray. This jellyfish can swim. This jellyfish can swim. This swordfish lives in the ocean. This swordfish lives in the ocean. This ray can swim. This ray can swim. This octopus has 8 arms. This octopus has 8 arms. How many